and you can just create a account. Now you don't have to go through Cloudflare. It's just one. It's just easy or on Subtrio to connect to Cloudflare, and they add an extra sense of security. Okay, so I'm going to connect your domain. So I am going to go the treehouse, or no, gosh, why do I want to do that? The template treehouse.com. Okay, so I'm going to hit continue. And we can do the free. Okay. Yes, it's right here. Duh. Okay, so the DNS record. So when I put in the template treehouse, it gave this info. I took off the DNS because that's you want it to be DNS only. All right, and then we are going to change the name servers, and so I am going to copy this, and I'm going over to NameCheap. Okay, so it says Nameservers. We want to do custom DNS, so I'm going to put that there. Go back to Cloudflare, get the next one. And then I'm going to click on the check mark, save. Okay, so it might take up to 48 hours to take effect. Okay, now I'm going to go back over here, and we are going to, okay, we're going to go to overview. Here we go. It's going to walk us through. Log into your DNS. It's okay, Namecheap, which we've already done that. And this is what we just did this. Find and turn off the, okay, let's see here, go back to domain, and what am I looking for? Okay, so the first one is the first step. It's hold on. Okay, so Namecheap. We're just going to go through this to make sure that I did it right. It says make sure the DNS is off. So I'm going over here. I went to advanced, and it looks like it's off. Okay, we're good. We're good on that part. And then the next part is replace your current name servers with the Cloudflare name servers. So you see that, click to copy, and we're going to go over here, and let's see here. Domain. Okay, so here's the name servers. I got them there. Okay, so we got that. Delete the other name servers. Let's see here. Do I? Yeah, I don't have to do that. Okay. And then, what else is here? Hold on. Save your changes. Okay. And then registers take up to 24. Okay. All right. So let's check the name servers now. It says, please wait a few hours for update. Okay. So, I will be returning. All right. Okay, so it says that it's active now. So now we're going to go back over to Subtrio, and I am going to click, so I already have the template treehouse. We're going to go continue. And yes, we want the www, and then we want to continue. Hopefully it, oh, yep. So there we go. See how simple that was. So we are going to authorize domain. Okay, so authorize DNS records from lead content. Okay. All right, so I already put all that info. See, this is why I like this way, because I didn't have to do much. Once you select authorize, Cloudflare will remove the following from your zone, which, okay, the process is necessary, which is fine because nothing's on the template treehouse.com page anyway. So, okay. Now, it says type in the template.com, okay, to confirm, okay. All right, so now it's DNS up to 30 seconds, okay, so it's authorizing. Okay, so it authorized it. I only had to like redo it one time, like not when I do when I said redo, it just said from the other screen that we were just in, authorize. I just had to hit it one more time, and it, look at here, domain added successfully. Ooh. Do funnel the template treehouse. We can do that, but I don't want to do that yet because I don't want to mess anything up. So, I am just going to leave as, and I'm just going to proceed to finish. Okay, so now it looks like I have both of them on here. This is beautiful. That was easy. That was super easy. Okay, so basically connect your domain, add it to Cloudflare, then, okay, actually, okay, this is the route. So what you need to do is grab your domain, create a Cloudflare account, add the domain to the Cloudflare account. Then it is going to, you're going to, it's going to walk you through, you're going to have to change the name servers. I showed you how that was basically done. That was very simple. And then authorize, and then come into Subtrio and connect the domain. And since it's on Cloudflare, it will automatically do it. I cannot do the manually. So there is a manual one that we have in the Subtrio SOPs, and you can watch that one if you don't want to do a Cloudflare account. It's free. And it's extra protection. So I don't see any reason not to do that. Okay, so There we go.